This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Miniclip account to Facebook. First, you will need to log into your Miniclip account on the official website. Once logged in, look for the Facebook icon, which is typically found right next to your avatar. Clicking this icon is the very first step to begin linking your two accounts together, making the process quite straightforward. After clicking the Facebook icon, a new pop-up window will appear on your screen. This window will prompt you to enter your Facebook login details, including your username and password. It is crucial to enter these accurately. Following this, you will be asked to grant Miniclip permission to access certain aspects of your Facebook profile, which is essential for the connection to be successful. Once the accounts are successfully linked, you will immediately notice some changes. Your Miniclip profile picture will update to match your Facebook avatar, giving your gaming profile a personal touch. A significant benefit is the ability to easily connect with and play games alongside your Facebook friends. You will also observe that the Facebook icon next to your avatar will no longer be visible, confirming the successful link. It is always a good idea to review Miniclip's privacy policy to understand how your data is used after linking. Should you ever wish to reverse the process and unlink your accounts, you will need to contact Miniclip's customer support for assistance. Overall, connecting your Miniclip account to Facebook significantly enhances your gaming experience by integrating social features and making it easier to play with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.